use a pec slap to get her cat's attention. And if they really want to be heard, they breach. Spy hopping is how killer whales coordinate and get a better view of their surroundings while hunting. Fluke slaps are another form of communication killer whales use to talk to each other. Communicators, so it's no wonder they're at the top of the ocean's food chain.
Killer whales work together to rear their young, protect their pod, and most importantly, pursue and catch their prey. Every day they cooperate to survive in the wild oceans of the world. The orca's hunting techniques are as varied as the whales themselves. Norwegian killer whales will circle herring, herding them together. The whales use sounds to coordinate with each other and to disorient the herring. With the fish confused and contained, the whales stun them with their powerful tail flukes, making for an easy meal.
Will capture sea lions by pulling them right off the beach. Orchid is going to be showing us the same type of movement right here in front of all of you. Antarctic orcas will actually create waves that wash over floating ice, knocking seals into the water. Shuka and Ulysses are showing us this same type of wave-making technique, demonstrating one of the many impressive and complex hunting strategies killer whales have developed all around the world. You just saw these waves crashing right in front of you, but you really cannot imagine the amount of water displaced until you've experienced it firsthand. So fortunately, Jackson and JC have volunteered to feel the power of the waves created by the whales, and they opted out of their ponchos today because they really want to feel that power. So go ahead and have a seat right there, sit all the way up against the windows. Did you guys see how those seals got knocked into the water? Are you ready to feel the power of those waves from those killer whales? All right, well, hold on tight, you two, because I believe our whales are on their way. All right, here they come. wave, but it still was powerful, wasn't it? Well, you two did such a great job. I have these 2 souvenirs to help you remember the power of the waves created by the whales. Thank you so much. Now, because killer whales are found in every part of the ocean, it's no wonder they eat all types of prey, including other whales. The blue whale on the screen is the largest animal on Earth. It is 5 times longer and 50 times heavier than a killer whale. So, how does a whale that's that size eat a whale that's that size in the wild? It's possible because they're the ultimate team players.
In this example, we see the larger male orcas surround a sperm whale, forming a perimeter, while the females continue to drive the whale forward until it reaches exhaustion. The calves then move in to join the adults in the group. Whatever their prey, killer whales always cooperate and hunt together, making them a highly successful predator.
Play is an important part of everyday life for killer whales. It's how they teach their young to hunt and practice their skills as they grow. Orcas spend a lot of time interacting and showing off their playful side in the wild and also here at SeaWorld. Porpoising is when a killer whale swims fast at the surface, breaking out of the water briefly. You'll see them do this when riding the wake of a boat or when surfing in a wave. Orcas like to be touched and will often rub their bellies on different surfaces when they can. We sometimes see them do this right here at SeaWorld, just like whales in British Columbia would. You'll also see whales in the wild imitating each other. We see it here at SeaWorld all the time. The whales are always mimicking and learning from each other. Playful behavior has a purpose. A lot of these behaviors you've seen are used in hunting to stun other animals. But today, these killer whales just might be stunning all of you. With our whales all day, which allows us to share trusted relationships, provide optimal health care, research, and quality of life. The whales here at SeaWorld take an active role in their own health and well-being. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, take a look at Keith. He is rolling over and showing his behavior as Vicky, and all of you, his tail flukes. This behavior is extremely important because this is how we obtain a blood sample to monitor all of our killer whales' health. We do this proactively once a month to make sure that they are healthy. They'll even slide out onto a scale just like this, so we can monitor their weight to make sure that they are getting the proper nutrition that they need every single day. We weigh our killer whales once a week. And each killer whale will allow us to get a breath sample from their blowhole. These behaviors would not be possible without the relationship that we have developed with the whales day after day here at SeaWorld. Now, like I mentioned, this is Keith. Keith is one of our large males. He's just under 8,000 pounds, but he has the personality of a big, cuddly teddy bear. Keith seems to really enjoy just hanging out with his behaviorist, getting rub downs, and he also really enjoys very large ice cubes as a type of reward. We encourage the whales every day to learn new things, to engage and stimulate their minds. Diet, exercise, and of course play helps keep our orcas in great shape.
The whales here at SeaWorld have helped killer whales in the wild by participating in many research studies. One ongoing study monitors the whale's heart rate and breathing to understand how marine noise pollution from ship engines and other sources affect wild populations. In another study, scientists from NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, took measurements of the killer whales living here, including pregnant whales. By comparing these measurements with drone footage of killer whales in the wild, scientists are able to monitor the wild population's nutritional and reproductive states. Other research has been done here at SeaWorld on the mother whale's milk composition. This research will help create an effective model to understand how toxins in the ocean impact wild killer whales and their milk supply.